Hello everyone, this is Dawn with DEK Designs, and I'm going to do an unboxing of the June subscription box. Okay, so there's a little note in here to our subscribers and the little frilly stuff. Get this out of the way. First thing I have my hand on here is this little sunflower piece, and what you can tie it off and use it as a headband, or you can just use it as decoration in your home or your planner desk. But I thought it was really cute, and it goes really great with a box. And then the treat this month is Chex Mix. And we did another pouch for the box this month. This one is a zipper pouch, and the entire contents of the box will fit in here, the papers and everything. So 2 months ago we sent one out that had a flap with a little button on it, and this month it's the zipper. So we kind of want to know which one you like best, because we will definitely include these more often, or maybe every box, or we were thinking about maybe starting to mail them in these with a bubble mailer, but we're not sure. So let us know what your thoughts are on the pouches here. And then the two washies, and they're in hollow foil, are this really pretty light blue. This box is getting mailed out, so I'm not going to open the washi. This is the last box, and it goes to actually Charlotte. She was willing to wait a little bit so I could film the unboxing. But it's a 10mm flower in hollow, and then our signature bow in 15mm. And then we have this gorgeous charm made by Trika. She's on our design team. So I reached out to her and purchased her services for this box. It's really cute. And then the pen is blue with silver hardware and blue crystals. And the sticky notes. And there is a white border at the bottom. I don't know why they messed the order up, but still very functional. But sunflower sticky notes. And the die cuts, and they have this really pretty blue ribbon around them. So we'll just go over these. But I'm definitely thinking of using this ribbon in on my dashboard for the month of June. It's really cute. So we have the bee that says "Be Happy," and the honey sign, and the teapot, and the honeycomb, and a pitcher of lemonade, and a lemon, and a flower, and a glass of lemonade, and this pretty vase a vase, and a plant, and a sunflower, and another vase. And this bee says, be yourself. And a blue flower, another sunflower, a lemon, and a big sunflower. And these are sticker die cuts. Okay, then your little, every month it comes with a little extra packet of stickers. So in hollow clear stickers, hollow foil, there's all these little bees. So you can use it to layer, to divide stuff, to point to something in your planner. These are also for layers, layering. And the bullet journal boxes, and the layering hexagons, scallop circles, and little like postage stamps, and the little doodle boxes. Okay, the monthly. This happens to be B6 size, so the only thing in our boxes that change for sizing is the monthly kits. So this is the foil sticker that comes with the monthly, and it has the month and the year and some script and icons. It says Happy Father's Day. This month we included these little new icons that'll be coming to the shop, but they're just for your monthly bills. And then here is the first page, and then your boxes and your sidebar and some flags, and then script and icons, deco, not icons, deco. Okay, so that is the monthly kit. And then the base kit, which I don't really want to call a weekly kit because it's packed. You can definitely get more than 1 week out of this. And it's all accented with silver hollow foil throughout, and it is in our new format. So the new format comes with, each kit comes with clear foil date covers, and then this is the first sheet of full boxes. And then the second sheet. Look at how cute they all are. They're just adorable. I just love this box. One of my top favorites so far this year. It's so cute. Okay, then the half boxes and quarter boxes. Your flags and scallops and work labels. Your washi and date covers. Sorry about that. Your 3-heart checklist. Sorry, I'm doing this without being able to see. So there's 6 sets of those. Your 2 clipboards, your habit trackers, some script, and your sidebar. Your labeled headers, glitter headers, flags, weekend banner. And this is the scallop for the weekend banner. And then there's some little flags down here. This is your laptop girls, some pattern headers. Oops. And appointment boxes. This is your fashion girls. Super cute. And your doodle boxes. And the deco. Lots and lots of deco on there. Okay, and then the last part of the box is our papers. And the first one is this pattern with this on the back. And then the vellum. Oops, upside down. Super cute. It's little honeycombs and bees. And then the other next paper. And that is the back side. And then this beautiful porch scene and honeycomb on the back. And then this is the last pattern paper with just a watercolor with glitter backing. Okay, so that was the June sub box. We do have some openings for July that are now available to purchase, but they are limited. We have been selling out every month. So if you're interested in this, it's in our shop under the subscription tab, and it's $30 a month plus shipping. The main kit is 11 sheets. And then the monthly is 4 sheets. And then your bonus pack of stickers. I think there was... Sorry about that, it went all red on me. I think there was 5 sheets of this, yeah. And the washi. And the pin. And the paper clip. Sticky note. And the sticker die cuts. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day, and we'll see you later.